What's up, good individual? Today's video is on top 5 best drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular use, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on the best drone. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comments section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with Funsnap Diva 4K GPS drone. When it is folded, it is almost as small as a regular smartphone. This compact and portable size gives you the power to take it anywhere and anytime you want. If you draw flight trajectory with geofencing on the mobile app, you can make it fly according to the designated trajectory. It has map function that can switch satellite map modes and will accurately display the position and direction of the aircraft in real time. You can automatically create professional shots with its one-key shot feature without taking much hassle. The one-key shot selectable modes are Drone, Rocket, Circle, Follow Me, and Helix. These modes will let you get started quickly to enjoy the fun of flying and filming. It has first-person view intelligent somatosensory control mode that can bring a more real, more exciting pilot perspective. You can feel the world of immersive flight. It has a vlog mode that uses the combination of preset camera shooting, preset filters, and music to help you complete video shooting, editing, and sharing exciting moments. With a 2250 mAh LiPo3S battery, it provides flight time of about 30 minutes. Up next, we have DJI Mini 2 4K drone in our list. It weighs less than 249 grams, which is as much as an apple, and fits in the palm of your hand. It is compact, convenient, and perfect travel companion. Whether you're shooting at a deserted beach or capturing the details of a fun family reunion, Mini 2 can handle it all. So, don't go to its size. It may be small, but it's mighty. It can resist 29 to 38 km/h winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters. Along with 4K 30 frames per second video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, it ensures stunning image quality that is consistently smooth no matter how adventurous your piloting gets. There's no need to get so close for your dream shot because it has 4x zoom. The DJI Fly app features intelligent, built-in photo optimization. The app can automatically enhance image quality after downloading a photo. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose perfect shots. The very next drone, we have Autel Robotics Lite Plus 6K drone. It has intelligent moonlight algorithm, which works with the 20MP camera and one complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor to capture vibrant nighttime details, even at high ISO. Whether you shoot high-resolution stills or high-dynamic range video up to 6K resolution, it allows for manual control over exposure and depth of field, letting you adjust the aperture between focal length 2.8 to focal length 11. It can also automatically balance overexposure and underexposure and ensure you clear images and videos. This quadcopter will create dramatic, professional-level shots at the touch of a button with 4 automatic shooting modes including flick, rocket, fade away, and orbit mode. You can add a soundtrack and filters in the Autel Sky app to make the videos more epic, allowing you to produce unforgettable results whether you're a veteran pilot or completely new to the drone game. It incorporates an advanced obstacle avoidance system to keep it safe while flying. With its 3-way binocular vision sensors that enable the drone to perceive obstructions in front of it, behind it, and below it. If anything comes into its path, this drone will automatically brake and hover to avoid a collision. With its large battery capacity, it provides flight time of up to 40 minutes that allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Furthermore, we have H.265 Hubsan 4K drone in our list. It has deep algorithm of image denoising which optimizes your low-light shots. Having a 1x1.3-inch complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, it supports smooth 4K 30 frames/second video, H.265 or HEVC 200 megabits per second, and 48 megapixels photos. It has built-in embedded multimedia card 64 grams or 128 grams, which gives you the ability to share your video to media easily. It has HDR or higher dynamic range feature that can optimize your low-light shots. It has vision obstacle avoidance feature and advanced 3D space perception algorithms to enable the camera to capture more than 600,000 space feature points with depth extraction and calculation reaching 15 meters of cognitive distance. Its optical flow night light ensures your hovering performance in low light circumstances. It is applied with new eye tracking algorithm at TVT 3.0, which brings a huge improvement in tracking latency and tracking accuracy. Can locate the figure and animals or moving vehicles easily and automatically. It is built in with an intelligent battery management unit with capacity accuracy statistical and on-off control algorithms that ensures your flight is safe. It provides max flight time of 40 minutes with its 2,400 mAh capacity. We can finish it up with Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus 4K Mini Drone. It has so-called RYYB sensor design that replaces the green pixels in the 3 primary colors with yellow pixels. Compared with the traditional RGB array, the RYYB color filter array can increase the light input by 40%. It is paired with a large aperture of focal length 1.9, which provides noise reduction capabilities and the power to effortlessly produce quality images in low light conditions. Weighing only 249 grams. It is almost as light as an orange, and its foldable and compact body design makes it exceptionally portable. Its design makes it possible to fit from the side pocket of your hiking pack to the palm of your hand. The EVO Nano series is probably the first and only aircraft series of its size to offer an advanced obstacle avoidance system, making it the obvious choice for users looking to avoid crashes and preserve the life of their aircraft. With its 3-way binocular vision sensors that enable the drone to perceive obstructions in front of it, behind it, and below it, it can easily brake to avoid collisions. It can fly continuously for 28 minutes, which means plenty of time to experiment with creative angles and dream up inventive shots. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.